Hi daisies, welcome back to my world, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Bois de Chanel foundation. And I'm just so amazed that Chanel has created a new beauty line that's geared towards males. It can be very intimidating for males in general to go shopping for beauty and skincare alone. Yet alone, even females can be intimidated by the whole thing. But it's even more worse for a male because the whole enigma about males as being macho and masculine, and that being height maintenance can be considered feminine. But I'm glad that the demographic is changing, because pampering yourself and taking care of your skin and looking a little bit better to help boost your confidence shouldn't be something to look down upon. So don't be afraid to go out, to look for a little bit of skincare or even a little bit of makeup to boost your self-esteem and get ready for your day to work, or a day to do something that you want to do. So let's get into the review of the Bois de Chanel foundation. So I already did my skincare and I did a little bit of gel on my brows. As you see here, I have a little bit of marks because I shaved and I cut myself. To start off, I'm going to apply the Blanc Rosey Light Drops. And I'm going to do 2 pumps on my hands. I'm going to rub the drops on my fingertips and then I'm going to smooth it out on my face. I like this primer because it does help brighten up your complexion, giving you more of a luminous finish. This is the Bois de Chanel foundation in this really nice matte dark blue packaging. I'm in the color number 30, medium light. On the website, it says that you can apply the foundation with your fingertips. For me, I prefer to use a brush or I use a sponge to apply any base product. Right, you want to do 2 pumps of the Bois de Chanel foundation. And you want to take the fluid foundation brush. So to start off, I'm going to just start from the center and move outward. Just rub it in circular motion. It comes in 8 shades, and you'll see a swatch of it as well. This is a swatch of the foundation on my skin. As you see, it's a little bit more warmer, but my hands are usually more paler than my face, so this is the perfect fit for me, and you're going to see it on my skin. Alright, for sure this is really sheer, and this foundation actually has hyaluronic acid, which is good for hydration, and also has a broad spectrum of SPF 25, which is good to defend environmental stressors. Before you start any foundation, you should be using an SPF 50. That will have more protection for your skin. It also has a really nice scent. It doesn't smell too feminine and too masculine. It's just a fresh, clean scent. It won't affect your nose at all. It's very pleasing, this smell. Alright guys, this is 1 layer foundation of the Bois de Chanel. It's very sheer. As you can see, it doesn't really even cover what's going on with my mouth area. You can still see my acne spots and also here. So I'm going to try and see if I apply another layer just to give more coverage. The next step I'm going to do is, because I don't like my nose to shine, I'm going to apply some Vitalumiere Chanel loose powder. Not everyone needs this, but because I don't like my nose to shine, it's more of a personal preference that I set my center of my face with some loose powder. You can use any loose powder, as a matter of fact, just to set the center of the face. I just have this powder. Alright guys, my skin is set with some powder on the center of my face, but I didn't set the size just because I wanted to keep some of that glow. And you can see here, it's a really nice sheer foundation. Definitely not full coverage. I always say this is more of a gel to powder finish. In addition, what I would say about this foundation is that if you have very dry, textured skin, I do not recommend. You probably will see a lot of cracks and imperfections. If you have very flaky skin, I recommend that you exfoliate before you use this product because this will actually make your flaky skin much more visible. Overall, I do love the finish of the foundation. It's almost like a matte glow look, so you don't look very oily at all. This product also smoothed and evened out my skin tone. I do have to say though, the coverage is very sheer. And even with the second layer that I did around my mouth, you can still see the cut on my face, especially my dots, or even my acne that I have here. So I would recommend that you use a concealer with this if you do have an acne prone skin. From my experience from this product, I feel this product probably will last you from morning to early night, but throughout the day you probably would need to powder your face. And by powder I mean not compact powder, maybe a loose powder to set your face because it becomes quite oily throughout the day. I just had lunch and I already see a bit of perspiration coming out from the oils, and I do recommend that you set it with some setting powder. The product is invisible. That I do a test on. It is very seamless. It's a very natural finish. Also for application, if you don't want to use a brush, you can use your fingers. I know I said I prefer a brush or a sponge. If you don't have either or, you can still use your fingers. Just be careful if you're a guy and you're going to wear a suit or any white t-shirts. Just be careful with your hands that you're going to have to wash your hands after you apply it with your fingers. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and if you found it helpful and useful, please give me a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Take care.